Finally, our motorbikes are back from Mongolia here in my workshop. So I owe you a last review about the Rally Kit. In total I made about 6,000 Ks now on this bike. And first of all, I was surprised how much comfort you get on a small EXC bike. You know, when you're riding all day long on a motorbike, and the wind protection is very important. If you have a shield like this, it makes the things pretty much easier. The lights makes a huge safety factor. If you are riding in the darkness, it lights up all the way, so it's a very, very good thing. The carbon tower, very stable, very stiff. I didn't have to tighten any bolt on it during the whole trip. The side panels here, you know, even with a whole fuel bladder on this side, filled with 6 liters of benzene, and in shaky terrain, it works out. So the last thing is the whole front desk. If you see how clean it is with your GPS on the top, you see it in your field of view, so you don't have to watch down while you're riding, so it's pretty much more safe. So in total it's a very great kit, which I recommend to anybody who wants to do long distance traveling with a 500 or go on a rally raid.